Rang, na na na, bangarang, them a bangarang, bangarang, them a bangarang, bangarang, them a bangarang. I miss a banga, no no say it wrong. Some
no, you be saying water wet. Water wet, brother.
The buckeye time. The buckeye time.
bangarang, them a bangarang, bangarang, them a bang.
You want me fish the buckeye class. Wait, I'm a long wait. A long time I tell you the platinum, bro. A long time I tell you. A long time I tell you some more. A long time I tell you that better. A long time. It's alright, but we still on the platinum. Yo, uncle, we still on the platinum.
Yeah, make this amount like a little bit.
Full of sugar.
Yo, go and do what you do. Do what you do. Do what you do. Do what you do.
No, that me I do.
Yes, then do what you do. Now that me say. We deal with this soup. That's what I mean. What the fuck then? You have to deal with it. Just deal with that.
Alright, give me it.
Well, it's the cow skin and the chicken foot. Yeah, because sometimes we don't like to boil one set of meat in it because why we don't like to do it? The Jamaican love a lot of meat. So we like to give them what they like. And what they choice. I mean, I have no conch today. I hope on. Where Virgin gone? Brother?
Man.
Maybe man has something and say put something in this and the man gone. Different place. Yes, people. This is the cow skin. I'm looking for the cow skin because I don't want to give them one set of meat. I want to give them everything that they choice. Yes. This is chicken foot and this is cow skin. I'm searching for it. Really the thing, something I get crisp. Oh, that's cool, man.
Then say they like them crisp. Then say they like them crisp.
Yes, but then they like that too crisp.
Oh man, then say they like them crisp. Yeah, fufu.
Fry roast breadfruit. Fry. The people roast breadfruit. Yeah, because in Portland we have a lot of breadfruit, lot of what you call now? Breadfruit, we call them breadfruit.
Yellow
heart breadfruit. Yellow heart breadfruit. Yeah man, them breadfruit there you don't want to stop eating breadfruit.
Roast breadfruit. No, fried.
Yes.
So this is how it looks.
That's what the people like.
People. Yeah man. Yeah.
When it's fried, that's what they like.
Yeah.
Take long, brother.
Yo, do what you do and stop watching me. The backside. Do what you do and stop watching me. Don't watch me too much. Do what you do and keep your ass quiet. Damn trouble. Yeah, natural soup. Yeah man, pumpkin soup.
Give me a plate where they get over you.
Yes, you take off this and you put it. It's not. Do it.
See that?
Finishing, you know? Go for work.
Do it.
Deb, I work. Yeah, I have to get it going. Yep. Yeah. No itch. Yeah. Without itch. Never. Yeah.
The people. Roast breadfruit.
Yeah.
No, fried. The people, this is how the breadfruit look when it's fried. Okay?
But me
Yeah,
do it,
man.
but you can do the green one. And do the
Yeah.
green one frying looking like this.
Yeah, man. I'm
Yeah, me can do the green one and it looking like this.
Team sell off for.
Yeah.
Sell off for.
Ah.
Beef and filet.
Ah, like that.